it's too much. Every day is back at the football and see.
Maybe he watch you right now.
He come text a message only on 24-hour online. Very crazy man. You know,
But
crazy
this
man.
way you love him. Am I right?
Not love. Why you love me? Only
No.
put me in
You
your
say he
head.
don't walk. He drink shisha or like that. So, but you love him. Am I right or not?
Not love because me love you. You, my heart is only you. Not three,
Okay.
4, 5. You know. Now me love you. Not another
Okay, get
any
back to Allah.
porn porn another man
So
another
why you don't leave
boyfriend.
him and you search another
Only
one?
me. This in my mind you, not another. This have mind. This have mind. This have
We're cheap. أنا
no.
دينا كله بتوعد
شو بدك
والله.
يا ستي ما انا دقي. It's too much crazy. You know.
سيفان ما يوقف من الناس.
Hey.
Wait. How many years you guys together?
2 months.
2 months? This is not relationship. 2 months?
No, my relationship with the 2 year or 3
2 years.
Yeah, or 3 year. 2 year.
And right now, you guys not
Me,
together.
my friend cut love 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
And you love him?
No?
You miss him?
Me no miss because my heart in broken baka sadiyati chachabu.
Wait. You miss him no or yes?
No miss because
Why?
this my boyfriend, my heart in broken is too much baka sadiyati chachabsedeme.
You know, my people, they told me she's Oroma famous TikToker. Are you?
What?
My people, they write me here. You are Oroma TikTok famous.
I'm not Oromo, I'm Amara Gondar. You know Gondar?
I know Gondar.
Yeah.
I was there 2012. That was longer time for 12 years.
Yeah. But now I'm famous. I it's no problem. But me, I'm not Oromo. Gondar.
What are you doing normally? What are you work?
It's funny. I'm talking, play game. What's this?
Are you beautiful?
Not too much beautiful.
Do you have any crush?
What?
Do you have somebody crush?
No understand. What is Karash?
Because right now you don't have boyfriend.
لا now I'm single alhamdulillah because
You searching another man?
I'm sleeping good. I'm stand up is good. My telephone put see no see. I'm not busy. My mind is too much. Alhamdulillah, it's very good because dangerous man boyfriend in I'm go there. My heart is now step by step is a new oxygen. I don't know. My heart is my
No,
heart
your nickname.
nickname.
Yeah, example. My name is Shamak, but my friends they call me example boss. So that is my nickname. So what's your nickname?
Okay. Okay, this is my nickname.
Yeah, this is your nickname?
Yeah, one of you.
One of you.
Yes.
Oh, okay. One of you. Do you want a Somalian guy to be have relationship?
But me, I need boy.
No. Wait. Do you ever get Somalian boy?
No, me I'm no problem because Somali, no Somalia, Ethiopia.
Do you know Somalian man?
Me, this is not my problem, you know?
No, wait. Do you before? Do you meet Somali man your life?
No.
No contact?
No.
Why?
I don't know, but me no contact.
If today you get, if today you get Somalian boy, you wanna be get relationship,
Good, no problem.
no problem.
Jedhini maal jedhaan wanni jedhuun maal jedhaani jedhiin naan jetti tawwata akka hin beekne tamataa dinnicha maal jedhaani.
The fan Adam, don't say like that, you know. Leave her, man. What's going on, bro? So
Okay.
here I have my friend. He's 27 years. He live in Germany. He have money. He's nice. You wanna get him?
My problem is not about money.
No, he's nice guy.
No, not about
Not
money
too much
because
jealous. No blah 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 blah. No.
no, listen me. My problem is not
So what's
about
your
money.
important?
Yeah, my important in is, my boyfriend is he have confidence. I need boy have too much confidence.
Yeah, you have too much
No
confidence in
confidence
this
is
guy.
not
He's
life.
nice. He's nice.
Yeah, no confidence. No have confidence is not life.
This guy, he have
Another
confidence. Look at me. He have confidence, good character, everything, man.
yeah, my friend is
I did
every day.
You say what?
My boyfriend is every day morning stand up gym house.
No, this
And
guy, he's confidence. He go gym, he go walk, he make money. He's cool, he's don't work nothing.
okay, how much old?
How much what?
Old.
28.
28 baby. No
How
baby.
old are you?
Bilchachu jechuun maal jechuu guys? Ingiliffaan bilchaan jechuun.
And
No,
you, wait.
not about not about no about
Okay,
but
how old are you? You tell me.
because it's lies.
Are you 20?
La boy in put life in all marriage 30, 31, 33 is good. It's very bilchachu.
But
Bilchachu man
28 is nice old. 28 is nice old.
it's good but not it's too much.
He will be son in a 29. He's good guy.
Okay.
We take you, we bring you here in Germany. Are you okay?
Have hair. I not need
You
malaka.
have like my hair, you see?
Waan takka laala mataa keenya cibraa kana dhiisa mataa arabaatu gad harkiseen qulqulleessa.
Waan ofii. Taap godha faamilii. Shabboo taap hababaa jaakenna namni.
Need because
Dhiiftee. Salaam alaikum. Salaam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Onni maraas jaaladha bar waan ofii ani hin beeytami nafse. Afaanuma kiyya kana barbaree itti firfirtanii waan kana godhanii mee ani hin beeyta.
Gurbaanana tama muqiima taa'i majhuula miti taa'i dubbaa itti hettee namti.
Ani maal dubbadheeree maal.
Family naafi kana malee nama hin qabu silaa modo.
Guys, dabin amma kennaa warri waa kennan billaa alee amma kennaa giifti.
Si jaalatu Suleeman ishee?
Habibi wallah.
Wallahi Suleeman dhugumaan si jaalatu onni marraa warabbal qabu.
Iftuuti eega dabiliin dhume kennitaa rabbi sodaadhu gallaa aleeka. Taphadhu bakka naqa qaxxaa illee mee ala keessa deemee iyya.
Obsee koo lubbuu.
Iftuuti bar dabiliin si jalaa dhume.
Abiyyi wal argiteetteeni.
Maaltu beeka bara hin argitani abiyyi waan jedhu.
Wallahi rakkoo.
Abiyyi waan jedhan argitani kuno.
Siirii nan dhagaman jedhe baay'ee kana.
Abiyyi waan jedhan ilaali mee. Cimaa poosotas. Master Ahmadiin Aggaarotiin isa maqaan master jennaan isa jedhe se'ee cimaa poosa.
Miskiin wallahi rakkanne wallahi. Rakkanne.
Keessa fina si buusa jedheen asliidhaanu.
Mululim si inni bitee boon dagate.
Mereka sunde ke sana ada sahabat ini saya boleh sana. Lalu tenan. Sisir yang mau jatuh tu kalau
Lak kenna godatu mara umman. Namni zamalle godatu galatu.
كذا قبتها والله العظيم